What the heck is growing on, guys? Ron here from liveoceangrowing.com, and I'm pretty excited today that these little tilapia that we've been breeding have finally reached the limit to go out into the 250-gallon big boy pond. So what I'm going to do is transfer these little guys into a 5-gallon bucket. We're going to acclimatize them to the pH from their old water and chemistry and all that in this tank to the new pH in the 250-gallon aquaponics pond. And you're going to be my wingman and follow along. So stay tuned, Wolfpack, because here we go. All right, first thing we're going to do is siphon some of our water into this 5-gallon bucket. I try to put about, I don't know, anywhere between, well, there's a lot of these guys in there. I might, now I'm just going to put them all in there at the same time. This way it's easier to do the acclimatize to the new tank. So I'll probably put in about 4 gallons of water in here. Just put a little air stone in there while I'm transferring the old water or the new water into this old water for the acclimatization process. And probably do that. I'm going to do that about 2 or 3 times, and then we'll get to that in a minute. Real quick too, just a reminder, because I've done it before and I want to help you guys avoid consequences and money. If your heater is going to be without water for a certain amount of time and you've drained the tank below the heater, turn the heater, unplug the heater, because you'll blow it and it'll cost, that's a $30, $40 mistake. I've also taken all of the pipes and pots out of there before I did this, make it easier to catch the fish. This net's been cleaned in hot water and vinegar. That bucket was cleaned in hot water and vinegar. And now it's time to trap these guys. So I don't go crazy trying to get too many. I want to let them, they're going to freak out anyway. So I let them swim into the net and then let them swim out of the net. Lifting the net up. I know you can't see this, but trying not to let their fins get caught and all of that stuff. Splash water all over the place. Anyway, we'll just keep doing this, trying not to piss them off. They're already going to be mad. You guys know this if you've ever done it. So we'll do this, and then we'll go out to the pond and we'll show you that guy. We're out here at the 250-gallon pond, and as you can see, I've been doing a lot of work trying to keep it clean, and it is looking beautiful. I obviously keep it covered. I turn the pumps off and the air stone off so you guys could see just how clean it is. There's a couple goldfish that I cannot capture down there on the bottom, and there's about 10 tilapia in there that I couldn't get either. Anyway, this is the pipes that I have going, some NFT stuff. Getting ready to set up some more grow beds. Pipes on the left are empty right now, so I won't even bother to show you those. So the first thing that I usually do, well, I'm going to do is show you, is I just check the pH. I'm out here anyway, and I'm doing it. So I just want to check the pH. It's going to go down and up, so I'm going to take a picture of it and show you, but it was about 81 to 82 degrees and somewhere around 7.8 pH. So I check that, and then I come over to my bucket of fish that I just took out, which I have an air stone in. I turned it off so you guys could see them down there. I'm within 3/10 on the pH and about 2 degrees on the temperature, so I'm pretty solid. Now we'll show you how we acclimatize them to the new pond. All right, so I just turned the air stone back on in there, turn the pump back on, as you can hear it. One of the things that I look at it as far as transferring fish from an old home to a new home is I want to make them as comfortable as humanly, fishly possible. So they had an air stone in their old tank, they're going to have an air stone in their new tank, so why would I not provide them with an air stone in their temporary tank? Unlike taking them to a foster home for, I don't know, an hour or so, and then I'm gonna put them in a brand new environment. You guys can do it however you want. I'm just telling you how we do it here. And to be honest with you, we've only lost a couple fish out of I don't know, maybe thousands of transfers of fish. So this is the way that we do it. You can do it however you want. We're not saying our method is the best or whatever. Just you guys do it however you want. We're just showing you how we do it. So I just take about 2 or 3 cupfuls of water, pour them into this bucket, and then I wait about another 10 to 15 minutes, and then I do it again. I wait until the bucket's almost all the way full. I take about a third of it out, and then I do this again 3 times total. So fill it up, empty, fill it up, empty, fill it up, and then I transfer the fish into the ponds. That is we have found the most optimum way to keep the fish from getting 100% stressed out. The water chemistry gets to be an equilibrium between the old tank and the new ponds, and it just makes them feel more comfortable going into a new environment. And we'll see what happens. And I'm not going to bore you with all of this. So this is the way that we do it. And then we don't pour this water into the pond either. We keep all of our, pond and aquarium water separate. So I'm just going to net them back out, which is a little bit hectic and, stressful for them again. But the biggest thing is the water. So netting them back out, putting them in there. We'll take some videos at the very end. And peace, guys, and liveoceangrown.com. All right, these little guys are doing great. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel, comment below, heart, hit the doorbell, whatever all that crap is. Anyway, Ron from liveoceangrown.com. Have a happy grow.